Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies starting from 11th till 17th of October. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. And I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, okay? To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what is there for my Taurus for the week starting from 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Taurus, 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Taurus. At the back of the deck, we have the 10 of Wands in reverse. Okay, so you are getting over from something. Okay, so this could be a relationship. This could be something which has happened and it was really bad. So you are recovering from that. I see recovery. I see something you are doing yourself. You are giving time to yourself. This is more like self-love to me, but yes, you are giving time. Although sometimes it feels like you are still you are at stress and you are not able to cope up with the things which has happened with you, but yeah, you are still working on that. It's really good sign, Taurus. But let's see. In the past, we have the Empress, the Star in reverse and the Seven of Cups. It could be a situation where somebody was confused about you, or you could be confused about someone else. We have difference of opinions, we have different criterias, we have different things, you know. Everyone is not common, everyone is not same, and that is why the things got worse. For you, love could be a priority, but for the other person, career could be a priority. The other person started to explore other options. It could be you as well. So just you can reverse the roles, whosoever you are. Okay, but yeah, it's more like not love to me. It's more like somebody who was not in love. Okay, one person was in love, the other person was not. It was more like attraction, just lust energies, something else, you know, giving priority to something else, not you. So yes, in the present we have the Hermit in reverse, the 9 of Swords and 3 of Swords in reverse. So definitely there is recovery, definitely you are coming out from this thing, but you might be just not showing everyone how much distress you are feeling, how much anxious you are during nights. There are times when you are giving yourself, you know, when you're trying to understand, trying to make yourself feel that okay, I am fine and I am worthy and I am this, I am that, you know, you're giving self-motivation to yourself, but at the same time you just start cribbing like, why me? That's fine. Okay, Taurus, it's like, it's life. In the coming future, we have the Strength, Ace of Wands and 6 of Swords in reverse. I am really getting strong vibes of you getting so much courage for yourself. See how beautifully you are coming out from the situation in which you were in this week. Yes, you are giving more attention to yourself. Might be dealing with a Leo, but I feel not, basically this is not, for some of you it could be a Leo you are dealing with, but this is your Leo energy as well. You could also be having Leo very strongly placed in your chart and you are dealing with that thing. Okay, there will be times when again you will be like moving on but still stuck, but you are working on it. We are now going to clarify your reading. Okay, so tell me more about the 10 of Wands in reverse. We have King of Cups, we have the Star, and what do we have? We have the Knight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, definitely. See, with this person, it's not important to reconcile with the same person. First you have to reconcile with yourself. What's one First of all, you have to get yourself back. Get yourself the love which you used to do to yourself or to someone else. Okay, so this is something which is missing. You have become very slow because of some situation. You might be you might be going in the bed really late at night and then waking up really late in the morning. For some of you it could be like, you are going late but you are waking up early because you have lots of work to do. So you have sleep issues and anxiety issues and sleep issues. I really am getting some dark energies which come in the dark, in the night only. So you have to start sleeping a little early to just let go of the negative energies around you. Okay, so tell me more about the Empress in the past. Strength, we have 10 of Wands and we have 5 of Cups in reverse. Okay, so there were a lot of hints which were given to you from the universe, but you actually, I feel that you have ignored everything. You started to see, there were negatives which were shown, but you just wanted to do not see them. You just turned your head opposite of that. You had a feeling that you are really getting down with this person. This person is like a burden to you. The situation is like a burden to you. You felt it somewhere. Okay, you were feeling, it could be a mother situation also, a female thing. Female can be a problem in this thing. I feel you felt, see, the Empress is you, definitely Taurus, this is you, but you stopped feeling the way you always feel. It's like you are a nurturer. Okay, you are a person who can care anyone. Okay, who can do care of anyone, who can give love to everyone, loyalty thing, you can give loyalty to anyone. You stopped feeling, you just couldn't show the real you stopped the way how you feel. Okay, there was a lot of strength needed. I don't know whether you actually came out of that thing or not, but the strength was needed because you were going down and down day by day. The Star in reverse. Okay. We have the Hanged Man. We have 7 of Wands in reverse and 10 of Pentacles in reverse. See, it could be a marriage thing also. It could be a bad marriage. It could be a bad relationship which involved reconciliation, but reconciliation didn't happen. I feel that reconciliation couldn't happen in that thing. You were really looking forward to a reconciliation, but they started to explore other options. They left you like, you were the one who was waiting, but you couldn't take your stand. You couldn't fought for yourself at that time. You felt weak, but I don't see you weak anymore. Yeah, definitely. 7 of Cups. Tell me more about the 7 of Cups. We have the Moon in reverse. We have the Empress again and 6 of Cups. The Empress with the Moon in reverse. Something fishy, okay? Because the Empress is here and Empress is not looking good to me in this reading of yours today. Although Empress is your energy, definitely, but this Empress is not your energy. Somebody who is really being manipulative. Somebody who is really being the selfish one. Okay, something hidden which is coming out and which already came out in front of you in the past only. You felt it and it came out, and because it was your gut feeling and you got to know. When we get to know, you just feel that something is not right, and at the same time universe also wants to help you that yes, you are right, something is not right. So see what exactly this person is doing behind your back. So yeah, so this is something that, okay. Tell me more about the Hermit in reverse. Eight of Pentacles, we have Page of Pentacles, we have Page of Swords in reverse, and Page of Cups. So many pages. Wow, what is this? Either somebody is involved in this thing. Okay, there are more than two people in this situation, and either you're waiting for somebody to come and just slowly and steadily but come. You are working for somebody to come to you. No, not exactly. You are also working. You basically, what you are doing is you are giving yourself time. You are distracting yourself from the situation, because whenever you start thinking about it, you start feeling like, oh my god, I cannot take that thing. Three of Swords in reverse. We have Four of Swords, Queen of Wands, and Three of Cups in reverse. Definitely there is somebody who did wrong to you. Okay, you really had belief. It could be a friend also. So a friendship which went bad, somebody whom you trusted was like the clever one. Strong Leo energies are coming up. You are taking rest. Although you are trying to come out of the things, whatever happened for good, but you're just resting, and this is the best time to rest. Okay, universe is not the tarot is not giving you a solution like that. Okay, no suggestion like start doing something. No, resting period is there, and you should rest right now. Tell me more about the Six of Swords in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Swords in reverse. Everyone is in reverse here. All the suits are here. Okay, mother, father, sister, brother. Okay, so there's a family which I'm feeling. Who is around you, Taurus? There is, why things are coming like, whenever you come out of a thing, something else comes in, and you're always involved in some kind of or some or the other issue, always. But you are very courageous, I must say that. I want some cards for both Strength and Ace of Wands. Some clarification for my Taurus. Four of Pentacles. Okay, Seven of Swords in reverse, and the Emperor. Okay, so yeah, this is a very stiff energy. This is an energy where you have to be like, I am letting, although you are letting go of the past, but you want to just work on yourself. That is the thing which is required for you. You have to work on yourself, and the energies you are giving to yourself is really commendable. Okay, Taurus, so do not let people hamper your happiness, please. Okay, so that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.